I will be leaving a link to all the things that I have got on this video down in the description box so that you can actually go and check it out. Let us just dive right into this video already. So things you will need: nails, nail glue, decorations, files, set of brushes, nail cutter, and a polish of your choice. Step is to take the nails and make sure they fit correctly onto your actual nail size. Now that I have all my nails arranged right here, up next I'm going to be taking the file and filing my nails just a bit. So this step is really unnecessary, but I saw it as a hack and I did my research that if you actually file the nail to remove the shiny effect, it's actually going to stick onto your nail better and you're going to have your nails for a long period of time. So you can actually do this step or totally avoid it and move to the next one. We are going to be using the bonding nail glue to stick our nails onto our nails. I had to buy this particular nail glue because the other ones are a little bit stingy. It was stinging on my nails, and this one does not come with a brush. Instead, it has an open hole, and all you do is put drops onto the nail and then attach. So guys, I have finished putting on the nails. One thing I like about these nails is that they already come shaped in the specific shape. There are different shapes and this is what I like, but I'm not planning to keep my nails this long, so I am going to be cutting it down. Plus they have the numbers written on them. I don't know if you can actually see that. They have numbers written up here, so I don't want that, so I'm definitely going to be cutting them off. So after I have cut them, I am going to be filing them just to make the corners and the edges of the nails smooth. I'm going to go in again with this drilling machine just around the edges where there's a little bit of shine, and then after that is when we are going to be starting the decorating. I have finished drilling my nails, and now we are going to be jumping on the favorite part of the video, which is applying the polish. So I am going to be going with a yellow polish. I'm going to be using a yellow polish and I'm going to be adding some little art on it. This is what I'm going to be using when I'm adding the art. I will leave a link to where I got these brushes down in the description box so that you can actually go and check it out. So I'm just going to start with the decoration. So I'm going to be using the base coat to the fingers that I actually will be putting on the butterfly decoration. After curing for 1 minute, this is the brush that I am going to be using. It's not actually a brush, it's a metallic like thing, and I'm going to go with this golden yellow butterflies because I am putting on yellow nail polish. Next I will be taking the builder gel. This is in clear. I'm going to be taking a layer and covering all these butterflies up so that when I actually file, they do not fall off. You just need like a bead, like a green gramby, that's all you need. This is what it looks like after I have cured the butterfly part. So what I'm going to do next is now apply my base coat on the nails that do not have butterfly, and then I'm going to be applying. Time to apply the color polish that I want, which is yellow. So that is what it looks like. I'm going to be doing the same for this other hand, and then I will come back and show you guys the end product. I am so happy. I am so excited. You guys, I nailed this. We're talking about nails and I nailed it. This is a close-up of the nails. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment so that I actually know that you actually watched this video. Remember to hit the subscription button and the bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And guys, subscribe if you haven't already. It's totally free. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. Bye. So this is it guys. I am still learning on the cleanup process. As you can see, it's still not clear. The yellow looks so good. I never thought I'd ever be able to wear yellow nails, but guess what? Never say never. That's the close-up.